Hi, my name is Ankit. I am a founder of Marketer Ankit Consulting, where we provide lead generation service for a real estate agent. We've been using AiSensy approximately 11 to 12 months. Basically, AiSensy is helping us in automating our messages. We use AiSensy to help our clients, right? So, for example, this is a broker, he's my client, and I help him generate leads. And then when the leads is generated for him, we send automation messages to the lead that is being generated, the person who is looking to buy property. So in this way, AiSensy has helped us. Before AiSensy, the problem that we used to face was once a lead is generated, let's say the lead is generated in the night around 11 o'clock, and my client, he opens up his office at 10 o'clock in the morning. So they make the call to the buyer at 10 o'clock in the morning, and there's a lot of time gap in between. Now what happens is, as soon as the lead is generated, we instantly send them a welcome message like, thank you for inquiring about so and so project. It really helped us in that way that the time gap between lead generation and the first interaction, it has reduced, and it has helped us a lot. Yes, it has definitely helped us transform the way we help our clients. We have seen a significant change in terms of customer interaction. My experience with AiSensy has been truly great in terms of the cost that they charge and in terms of the customer service that you have. So if you have any issue, you can certainly connect with Mohit or also his team members. The best part, you get your issues resolved as soon as possible, and what more you need as a business owner. A message for Team AiSensy would be that obviously you guys are into more technical field, so just keep up with the technology, because if you guys innovate and improve, only then we can take its advantage. Okay, so that's all from my end. Thank you so much.